So I showed you my PCB from PCB way and also in the last video, and now we're going to solder the components upon it. And this is my barrel jack, and yes, it fits nicely into here. I hope so. Because I had a little trouble finding the right footprint for the PCB in KiCad. And now let's solder that thing onto here with this solder wire. Okay, and it is fits and it is firmly connected. Looks perfect. So we just have to solder the other connectors, and I put it into my third hand, the PCB. Let's solder the second terminal. And then the last terminal, and now use a little bit of thicker soldering material to have more solder at once. Nice. Now we soldered that barrel jack onto here. And next it's for the diodes of the bridge rectifier to be soldered onto the PCB. Always beware of the direction. So put this one in here, and often I pull the ones through. And now they are fixed and ready for soldering. I'll do the other four. And now the other four are done. Skipped a little bit in time ahead. And now let's solder them onto the PCB. One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, 8. All that is soldered. We just need to cut off these legs with my cool pliers. Zack, 1/2 done. Zack, 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 zack. And now just some work to make it more beautiful and to not harm ourselves with these spikes. I like my pliers. Here you see the diodes are fit onto the PCB. Now let's continue with the with the LEDs. We have a red LED here, and you see I'm bending the legs out so that they get fixated for soldering, and we do so with the green LED. Always watch out, the longer leg is the plus. Let's bend them out. And we just have to solder them onto here. Exactly like we did with the diodes. One, two, let's see here, okay. And this one, two. Does it look good? Let's prove yes. It's good. And then cut off the legs. Now one left. Okay. That was for the LEDs. And now the two capacitors you see I have done in the meantime without filming it would have taken a little bit long, and you already see the switch down by the red LED is already done. I skipped that a little ahead in time, and we continue with the two resistors. The 0K5, this means 0.5K, so 500 ohms resistors both. This is all through-hole technology, THT. I'll put these THT resistors through here. And then soldering must be done with these resistors. So here the soldering takes place. One, two, 3, and 4. Yeah, the PCB gets more and more complete. Let's revisit that one. Let's cut off the legs of the resistors. I'm kind of proud of this thing because that's the first one I ordered after doing a design with keycard. And this thing came to reality then. And as you see, we have the resistors here. And the last one here, this MC7805. And this is from on semiconductors. And it will step our voltage down to 5 volt. And in this picture, it's already soldered on. And now what I do is I connect the 12 volt power supply from the wall plug. So coming from main, step down to 12 volt already. And here you see the red light. This means the voltage is there. I just have to switch the conversion on to 5 volt. Now the green light is on. And then measure what is at the output. And it's 5.02 volts, which is perfect. Now switch it off. Thanks for watching, and please leave here a thumbs up or subscribe if you liked it. Thank you and bye.